Okay, just doing a quick review of Phalogenics from within the members area. There's only so much that I can show because the information is copyrighted, and I will get sued if I show anything that, I don't own a copyright to. So I'm sorry that I can't go in there and like show you everything. But for one, I paid for this information, so I wouldn't want to show you anyway for free because I paid for it because I value it. But if you click the link below this video, it'll take you to the website. You can sign up for yourself, and then you'll get to see what's on the inside. But what I want to show you guys is just how many weeks of training it is. It's 12 weeks, and this is just, well, you have the beginners, the intermediate, and the advanced. That's just, it's a lot, man. It's a lot. There's a lot of stuff in here. Like, there's a lot of trainings. Each one builds off of the last one, so you can't skip ahead. I wouldn't suggest that. I would also suggest that you do all your reading first, learn the science, go over the routine, and I wouldn't even go to the quick start guide, because you want to do these things. It's all about, it's like conditioning weight. It's like conditioning with exercise. You have to build up. So each exercise builds on the last one. So as you can see, like how the bodies look, it's kind of supposed to represent how strong you get. By the time you're here, you're pretty advanced. But when you start here, you really don't know yourself well enough to just skip stuff and go places. And they warn against that because for your own safety. Say, for example, if I get sore because I'm overstimulating or overtraining, because that's one thing they warn about. And I experienced that. I experience it often, actually. And I should dial it down. But if I experience soreness from overtraining, then I just wait a day or two and then get back at it. The same way you do when you work out and you experience pain in your muscles. You give that you give it a day basically to rebuild. All right. So that was the one thing I wanted. And then I want to talk about the bonuses, because I didn't even know I was getting this when I signed up, which was dope. You have bonus routines and bonus tips, but this is the other thing. You have this ebook, you have this ebook, and this one. Now this one and this one right here, I was gonna buy these from an entirely different website. I was gonna buy these through, I think it was a ClickBank vendor or something like that, and this shit was like $97 just for this book. I forgot how much this one was. It might have been around 67, and you get those for free just in this training. I was going to buy this shit like last week and now I get it for free with my membership, which is dope. Now the other thing, the bonus routines, I want to show you some of this shit. The 6.5 minute workout, the Magic Beanstalk Unleash the Beast, the Porn Star activation system that shows you how to increase your stamina. That's one. Like, these are extra things. This is not the exercises. These are extra bonus routines. That's what I'm saying. It's even more stuff like that focuses on specific things. Even though it's covered in here, there are also bonus routines and bonus tips like this one right here. How to get a 1/3 of an inch instantly. It's a little trick, most common problem. So yeah, just like little hacks that they also give you on top of these two expensive ass ebooks that I couldn't wait to get my hands on. So that's one thing that I think just increases the value of this, not to mention that the shit actually works. So like I said, it's a link below this video you can click on. You can watch their video presentation if you still want to hear from them, get information from them about their product, or you could just sign up, if you're ready. But you would click the link below, and if you use the link below, you get a 60-day money back guarantee. So that means you get to use this product from all the way from beginner through intermediate, because you get a 60-day money back guarantee, which is basically 8 weeks. So you get to use this all the way from week 1 to 8. And if you don't see any results, which you will see results, you'll see results before you get through around week 4. Actually, week 3 or 4 is usually when they begin, at the latest 5. So you'll see results before then, and that's why they do it that way, because they know once you see results, you'll be a member for life. The same way I am. I tried my hardest to find this shit for free online, and I couldn't find it. And when I thought that I knew I thought I knew what this shit was about, I only knew one little exercise that most people talk about all the time but aren't doing correctly anyway. And the things that they use to add on to that exercise are really what make it effective and make the gains last. So yeah, without me giving up too much. But there's also this here. Advanced Sexual Mastery, which it teaches you about the female orgasm and her anatomy, basically how to have sex better. So it's not just having a big dick, it's also about how you use it. Because I've heard many women say that, a guy with a big dick that's just wasting it. So that's what I like. There's more information and education. It's not just about, getting the bigger dick. It's like well-rounded education on this stuff. All right. So I find great value in my membership, and I hope you do too. Click the link below, watch that video, make your own decision, and I hope you find exactly what you were looking for. All right. Have a good one.